Cali from CNN. And today we are exploring the great outdoors. Now, what we're going to do today is I'm taking a walk with two experts in this field. We've got Nathan Sawyer over here.
Hello, mate.
He's from some weird country near Australia. It's not quite Australia, but it's not quite England. And then we've also got Larry Stevens.
Hello.
And we don't know where he is from, but both of these fine gentlemen are experts in the field. They'll be showing me around, they'll be teaching me about different things here at the Olmsted. And we're going to be seeing some wild animals. We're going to be seeing some some trees and some waterfalls, and so like stick around.
You can tell a storm just hit because of all the trees on the ground.
Look at the trees. It looks like some.
Look at the logs.
It looks like some
Look
big
at
ass.
the logs.
Some big ass nature lumberjacks came up in here. Hey, walk over here. Come over here. Come on, come on.
And it went boom.
Look, come here, come here. See the way this is cut? See how it's cut in a very simple, nice way? That's a level 4 hurricane.
Do you see the rings?
That's a level 4
The
hurricane.
rings. The rings show, and the rings, the lines, geometry of the tray.
So what?
The lines and the circles. And you can tell it's the way it is.
Because of the way it is. So if you look right here, if you look at this exact line, the 5th one down, you can tell that that's a line from a level 4 hurricane.
Close to your penis.
Your finger is awfully close to my penis. Now if you come over here, come over here.
Put it this way.
Come on, come on.
Onward.
Trying to go.
Tastes like Corona. Okay, look over here. Down there. We have a natural occurring waterfall that is man-made.
Look at this ecosystem.
This is a level 5
water.
ecosystem.
It's the water and the rocks.
It goes down really far.
They mesh together for an ecosystem that's beyond our imagination. Wait,
Okay. Oh my god, dude, this actually wobbles. Oh my god. Over here we have a waterfall.
Okay.
We are going to be perfectly fine. This is a level 2 waterfall.
It looks pretty good to me.
It's pretty fucking scary, I'm not gonna lie. I've kayaked down this bitch around 4 times
This
now.
one?
No, that bitch.
That
Yeah, that bitch.
one? That's good.
Actually,
Corona.
when I was torturing one of my friends down here, I was waterboarding him underneath the water fountain.
Oh my.
The water fountain.
Waterfall. In England we call it waterfall.
In the weird country that we don't know what it's called where I live, we actually call this a water fountain. Here we have some words. Lachlan and I are illiterate, so we actually cannot read.
Who's Lachlan?
Larry and I are illiterate.
Larry.
Can you read it for us?
Can you decipher this language?
Can
Of
you-
the native
I think-
peoples?
I think it says land marry is natural heritage.
Landmarine natural heritage.
Yes.
Okay, what does that mean exactly?
Landmarine natural heritage.
So basically,
Landmarine.
It's saying we're all in great danger.
One great danger. Oh shit.
come on, mate, come on.
Sure, let's go.
Oh. Over here. Come on over here. Step back, Lachlan. Step back, Larry. We have some water. Taste it. Ah,
It's steel. That's not good.
give me some. Ah. This water is made from pure gold, 24 karat.
It's steel. It's not clean.
Yeah, it's not clean. Don't. The last thing you want to
Is
do
it gold?
is touch your finger to it and put it in your mouth. That is the last goddamn thing you want to be doing right now.
Not safe.
Is
If
it
you
gold?
do, you will
Is it
die.
gold or steel? You said it was gold and steel.
Well, it's
Oh,
both.
it's steel. Steel. Like, do not move.
It's
No movement.
steel. It's steel.
No movement. It's steel.
All right, I got it. I got
It's
it.
steel gold.
Thank you for the clarification.
You're welcome.
It's steel gold water.
All right, let's explore.
Okay,
Oh,
Okay, pause the
I'm
video.
questioning Lawrence. I meant Larry.
Larry.
What have we got?
It's Larry.
What have we got here?
We've got more steel water. The fuck was that, Nathan?
Shut up, wait, I shot my shot and I missed.
This sign. This
Yeah.
sign.
What?
Says do whatever the fuck you want.
Does it?
It do.
It Alright, sounds good.
He say what? Do the fuck you want.
Alright, perfect.
Those 4 words.
Perfect. Let's do it.
Nathan, the fuck are you doing?
In my country, we call this planking. Slap my ass, mate. Hey, my gums out of my mouth, but that's okay because it was reverse Nicorette. Oh my God, mate!
It's a water fountain.
It's a big ass water fountain.
Okay, over here, next level fountain. Level 4.
This
The
is
level 4 fountain. Very dangerous.
I do not waterboard my family on this one. I only do that on level 3.
Too many rocks for this one.
Mates, I'm walking. I can't run, I'm not running, I'm walking.
I thought I saw a yellow-haired balloon bear.
I'm
but I
sorry, you
did
seem to
not
have
see
lost
a
your accent
yellow-haired-
for a little bit.
What?
Where'd your accent go?
It's still here, mate.
Do you see all the wild llamas?
I
No,
don't.
you don't, because they don't live in this region.
That was a joke, mate. That was a funny one, mate. See, over here, we do not have still water. We do not have still water.
We have movement.
We have movement water.
It's moving.
The movement is watering
Okay,
itself.
I've got the. I understand the moving. The water is, in fact, moving. But can you tell me a little bit about what this tree here? What has happened?
This tree here.
You got it. This is his specialty.
This tree.
What kind of tree is it?
It's a brown one. It's rather dead because there's no growth. No, no bigger.
This is not my specialty, man. I trust his full opinion.
It's Larry's specialty.
Larry and I have been working on this for years, and this is his specialty.
This brown tree.
All right.
You zoom in on these rings, these
All right,
circles.
I've got it.
The circle. You got
Yeah.
it. You got
Yeah.
it.
Big about rings.
Yeah, I'll put you one on your finger one day.
He says he yes. I would like that very much so.
These rings. There are more than 5.
So what
Alright.
That means
So
it's
what?
at least
I have
5 years old.
questions.
That means it's at least 5 years old. However, it's dead.
All right, let's keep going then. Thank you for that. I appreciate it. What have we got here?
Nathan.
Right here. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry, I zoned out. There was a beautiful red purple oak tree over there. Don't film the children, please. That's illegal. So over here we have we have 35 exactly waterfalls.
I thought you said it was water.
No, these are waterfalls. Over there, water fountains.
Nathan, what's the
These are
difference?
level 2. Okay.
Level 2.
So if it's under level 2, if it's
Okay,
level
that's
2 and
fine.
under, it is a waterfall. It's level 3 and over, it's a water fountain.
Keep in mind, folks, this is a waterfall apparently.
This is waterfalls, plural, because there's more than that.
Waterfalls, there's 35 exactly.
Over there,
35.
if you look over,
35.
if you look over there,
35.
Daquan, Shakonda, LaQuisha, Gladys, Vice, Steven, Jonathan, Alexander.
I think one's named
Shaquan,
Lance.
I thought you already said Quan.
No, that was Quan.
Oh, right.
There's Taekwon. There is
As you can see, folks, all the names are very rich histories.
Yes, exactly, and I will explain those histories one by one in another episode. But first, right here, we have some rocks. These rocks. CNN, get the fuck out. So right here, we have some rocks. These rocks, they stand for raw rocks. Respect others' community and self.
Yes.
Yes, Yorktown Patriots all the way.
Yorktown.
Yorktown?
See those trees?
They're a
See
college.
those Larry, I need you to explain those trees over there.
The trees.
The trees. The
trees.
big
Which
ones
trees?
over there.
The trees, okay.
No, not that one. There's no trees that way.
Look at all the brown ones.
Yes.
You got some green fellas. And there's one light green one. That light green one is a special one because that's a cedar. That's a
Cedar?
It's a cedar tree.
It's a cedar.
The brown one.
How do you spell that?
I don't know, it's called Shimoda.
C-I-D-D-A-A.
Cedar. Cedar.
Cedar.
No, there's an H at the end.
X at the end?
C-I-D-D-A-H.
Okay.
Okay.
Not like you one. That's the cedar. The brown one's the dead for the winter.
Okay.
That's the
Spring.
name of them.
Spring
Dead.
right. Dead for the winter. No, that's my
Right.
favorite punk band. The dead for the winter. The brownies. And and the dark green one. Those are the real beauties. They're the oaks. The oak tree.
Okay. Okay.
Alright.
Okay, if you look down here, we
What
have
have we got
3
here?
shoes. If you look underneath Larry's shoe, see this pine?
Yeah.
If you look at that, if you wipe it on the camera,
Yeah.
then you will obviously see by the vision that you have, you will see the amount of dust. And the amount of dust in the shoe calculates the amount of years that this place has been here. It's been here for about 4 or 5 years
There's
now.
4 ducks.
Oh my god, if you look over there, we have a wild man kayaking. He's falling down the rocks right now.
Do you see the red thing?
The red thing, I got it.
It's plastic. It's hard to
Over there. Not my ass. There we go. Look over there. You look over there, there's a big red
in the
thing.
middle of the grey rocks.
I've got it.
That's what we call an Australian outback from the west.
Nothing. It's your specialty. Why don't you tell us a little bit about the rocks?
A little bit about the rocks. So if you look at the way they are cut. So that right there is what we call Moses' work. We're not religious, but it is Moses. So Moses came here about 35 years ago. Maybe 40. I think it was 38 years ago. Moses came
It
here.
was 38 in 2 months.
38 in 2 months. Moses
Alright.
came in here with a big jackhammer, and he went around and he cut all of the rocks. In that particular formation, it's actually from the Quran, which he wrote himself.
Oh god. We're not going
I'm
there.
a history buff, so I got a little story for you. Do you remember the Bible story of when Moses split the river?
Yes.
I'm sorry, I'm not
Yes,
religious.
yes.
I'm not familiar with that
You're not
one.
familiar. Moses, big dude, right?
Big dude.
He was
250.
Big man.
6'6", 250 pounds.
Yeah, he was a big guy. So he was chilling in Africa, right? Just like vibing. And there was a river in his way, and he was like, her boom, split. So,
Her boom split.
so about 38 and 2 months ago, he came here and took a rock. He was like, boom, split. And the river just boom, split.
And he did that 35 times.
And
That's how great
do you
it
see
was.
those rocks? That rock
I don't see any
and
rocks.
that, I'm pointing on the camera.
Alright.
That rock and that rock and that rock
Yeah?
and those rocks over there.
Yeah?
Moses laid them out. They hear about God to split the river and make water fountains.
I've got sounds alright. There you go.
There we go.
Here we have it, folks. Experts.
There we have it.
It tastes like nature up in this bitch. So we just video.